Hi students, we have one activity which is create, rename, delete and restore a folder. So for that you have to create a folder. Okay, so give right click and go to new, new. So here in this new option again you will find some more menus. So there you have to click on folder. When you click on folder, you will get the folder and the name is new folder. So if you don't want that name, give backspace and write another name. So here I am typing photos. Okay, my folder name is photos. After giving the name of the folder will be created now. Now if you want to rename, you don't want photos, you want to give another name, then go to give right click and go to rename option. Okay, so again you will get blue color with the name. So give backspace and type whatever name you want. So here I'll give drawing. Okay, so like this you can change the name of the folder. And after that, if you want to delete this folder, means you thought it is this folder is unnecessary, I don't want, so you want to delete, then give right click on the folder and go to delete option. Then the folder will be deleted. So after deleting the folder, again you thought that folder is very important, I want back, so go to recycle bin. That time you have to go to recycle bin, give double click, then it will be opened, and those in the recycle bin the files and folders whichever deleted, those will be stored. Okay, and these are arranged in the alphabetical order. So you have to search the folder which is drawing. Okay, so A, B, C, D, like this you have to go. Whenever D, yes, here you can see the drawing folder. Yes, it is there here. So this folder you can give double click in this, but if you give double click you can see properties, but you will not see the content what is there in the folder. So for that you have to restore the folder. So give right click and go to restore. Then the folder will appear again on the desktop. You can see here drawing. Okay, so like this you can do. You can create folder, you can rename and you can delete, and last you can restore the folder. So like this you have to do the activity on your laptop or computer and send me the photos. And who don't have computer, they have to write the steps, all these, and then send me. Okay, thank you children.